All right. I think we are live. Wait, let me make sure. All right, we're good. What is going on, beautiful people? If you're looking at this after the fact, I'm gonna go ahead. You might want to skip a little bit ahead just because I gotta get a few people in here and all that jazz. But thanks for clicking on the link, anyways. Uh, I'll leave it down below where you can skip ahead. So while I'm doing that, let's go ahead and throw some invites in the chat. Invite some of the bounce boys. Great. We live. All right, crypto investing. I'm gonna throw it in there. Oh, sorry. No, we're not investing in crypto. We're just recklessly gambling as usual. No, I'm playing. That was even worse than the first thing I said. All right, so let's see. Get my bearings straight. Pop out the chat, and I think we should be good to go. Yeah, let's see. All right. Oh yeah, almost forgot. Wrong screen. All right, perfect. So I think we should be good. Just in case if there's anyone in the chat that looks wrong, you can just let me know. But I think we should be good. Let me make sure. Yeah. Yep, we're good. All right, cool. So the crypto markets, very beautiful. Well, I mean, as people come in, I guess we'll talk about different things, but we're going to be specifically talking about just the markets in general today, and one little article that is pretty big news if you ask me, but we'll touch on that later. Right now, we'll be focusing on the markets because literally everything is green today. I mean, okay, Tether isn't, and neither is Binance, but everything else is green. Let's just start off with straight up the most important thing, the market capitalization. How much money is in crypto? And I think we're actually at all-time highs right now. Almost $1.5 trillion, injected into crypto essentially. And there's no signs of slowing down. I mean, if we're looking at the last, I guess you could say all-time high for the market, what is it, the crypto market capitalization? God, it's a horrible thing to say. We are literally blown past that. We're almost actually at double it, which is it back in 2018. What, $800 billion? Right now we're at 1.4, which is nuts. Hey, Eugene, what is going on, brother? Happy days. Oh yeah, dude. I mean, honestly, if you have anything, I feel like if you have almost any crypto right now, you're up, right? I mean, am I wrong? I would think so. Ooh, Bounce Gang in the chat. What's going on, Alex? Bounce Gang. I love that little bounce intro. But now 1.4 billion, 1.4 trillion. And as this goes up, like that's why everything is green today, because literally just there's more people getting into Bitcoin, and then from Bitcoin people are getting into the altcoins, and that's why everything is looking good. So kind of just going off that, you have a Model 3 Tesla over here as the number 0 top spot. That's a good one, CoinMarketCap. That is a good one. I wonder what they got the volume in the circulating supply for that. But Bitcoin 48.5. I think this is an all-time high for Bitcoin too, right? I should have used that as a title. I didn't even realize. Oh, let's take a look at the weekly real quick. Yeah, actually, we're at an all-time high for Bitcoin too. Wow, dude, it's like at this point, it's not even exciting. You know what I mean? It's not even exciting. And the funny part is that I feel like, obviously, crypto Twitter is huge on Bitcoin. Everyone's huge on Bitcoin. We all are. But I feel like, although we've hit all-time highs for Bitcoin, like right now as we speak, we're all kind of focused on the altcoins right now. Because let's be honest, we mostly have altcoins. Let's keep it a buck. You know what I mean? Eugene asks, am I taking any profits on into any stable coins? Not quite yet. So, I'll kind of go through some of the coins here today, because that's all we're going to really be talking about are altcoins. But like some of the altcoins that are doing really good, that I had that are doing really good, I just end up like scraping off some profits and putting it into other like lower cap coins that I think could do just as well. So kind of like compounding on that, if that makes sense. So instead of sitting in the sidelines at any point, I'm kind of just trying to like hedge my bets every time, just getting into. I just want to make sure I'm in like the best opportunities, rather than like kind of sitting on the sidelines, because I don't know, like right now I don't want to be in the sidelines. I don't want to have any cash, to be honest. Until it's time, of course, to cash some of it out, then that's different, yeah. But no, to answer your question, I don't have any stable coins currently. I do not. Well, actually, that is technically a lie. I have stable coins for Mirror, like Terra USD, because I'm providing liquidity for it. So technically, I have stable coins. But if it wasn't for me providing liquidity, I wouldn't have any. It's it's kind of funny you mentioned stable coins. Cardano's actually about to pass Tether in terms of market cap, which is pretty nuts. I mean, what, that's 30 billion. Cardano's at 29 billion, which is that's even more nuts. Holy shit! I'm just gonna say nuts all the entire stream. But Ethereum as well, $1,800, guys. I remember we were looking at this chart. What was it, like a week ago or a month ago? And we're like, when is ETH gonna pass the all time high? We knew it was soon. We knew it was soon. We just didn't know when. And there it goes. I wish I do wish that ETH kind of pulled the Bitcoin though in this case, doubled its all time high, and actually, Bitcoin doubled and almost actually 150% its all time high. I guess is that a thing? Is that a word? Devin says I'm all in on Mirror. What a beast. Dude, honestly, right now it's a bit scary to be all in on anything, because the thing is that there's so much FOMO. And believe me, dude, I'm the biggest FOMOer, bro. Like, I don't show it that much. I mean, like, I'm not always on camera, but like, I don't show it that much. But dude, when I see other stuff pumping and it's not my coins, bro, it's a sad day. It's a sad day. Yo, John Atwood says thoughts on adding to my anchor bag. Damn, bro. Again, it just depends on you, right? I mean, I would say, so personally, again, I have my own bag of anchor, as most of you guys know. But what I would say is, like, no matter how good one specific project is, you usually want to diversify a little bit, like, if adding to your anchor bag is going to make it so that you have mostly anchor, in terms of risk management, I would say to find just another potentially as good coin, if that makes sense. Because you can add to the bag, but I'm pretty sure Anchor is also up today as well. Like, I think Anchor is also at all time highs. We got a lot of coins today that are just kind of killing it right now, right? I mean, yeah, 2 cents, and that's right now it's at all time highs. So, I mean, I would say, if you can find any opportunity right now, then maybe throw it in there instead, because that's what I'm doing currently. Yeah, no. Eugene says, well, hold on, I want to say Alex. So Alex says anchor to the moon. I'm hoping Jupiter actually. I'm feeling Jupiter a little bit more. And Eugene says it's hard not to get attached to any projects, dude. Honestly, bro, dude, I am the I'm the pinnacle of getting attached, bro. And I learned that in the first bull run, bro. Like, no, listen, Verge, perfect example for me. Like, I got in Verge when it was like the lowest, like literally like at the absolute bottom before it ever pumped, before anyone knew about it. And I feel like ever since then, like, I had this like thing for Verge, it's like my guilty pleasure. And I know a lot of people don't like it. I just like it. I don't know. It's it's one of those things. But no, I feel you, bro. And that's the hardest thing to get rid of, is not to get emotionally attached to some of these projects. Like, for example, bro, like, let me see. I guess I can't really use any of these as an example because none of them scammed out. But BitConnect would have been a great example. A lot of people were emotionally attached to that, scammed out, and I think some people are still waiting for them to come back. That sucks. But hold on, let's see what else we got going on. Let's see what is the top. What's the top performer for the top 100 today? Actually, oh, the graph, the graph. Oh my god, yo, the graph is killing it, bro. Look at this. So, I mean, I remember when it first came out, and it went from 14 cents to like 70 cents, 75 cents, and I was like, damn, like, I could have bought it. I didn't. And then it went down. Everyone forgot about it, and now it's all the way up back to almost $2. It's crazy, bro. I'm missing. People are saying the graph could be the next Google, essentially, of crypto, right? I mean, by Google, I mean like the way to index and organize, like code and different projects and whatnot. So, I mean, although this is kind of more like a technical coin, you could say. I made a video about Graph. I could definitely see it being a big player as well. But the thing is that like, a lot of people ask me for like price predictions, and even now, I mean, I got tons of comments asking for like if I think something's gonna go up or not, or how much it's gonna go up. Dude, I have no idea. Like, look at this stuff. Cardano for the longest was at what? What was this? Almost 4 cents over here. I think it was at 2 cents at some point. Maybe it was back here. Yeah, it's 2 cents back in 2017. But now it's almost $1, bro. That's 50x. So, guys, like, literally, the sky is the limit for a lot of this stuff. And Chainlink, bro, $27, $27 for one Chainlink, for one link. Look at that, dude. Damn, bro. I wish that I wonder. I wonder if like a lot of these, like a lot of the buying of these altcoins are like just straight up public, like public adoption, like people from like the Wall Street Bet scenario, or people from like just generic people, anyone, just kind of buying into the altcoins after realizing that Bitcoin isn't the only thing, Like I wonder if that's what it really is, because like this is a lot of money coming in. I mean, or maybe it's institutions, right? But I couldn't see institutions like buying into altcoins just yet. I really can't. Oh damn, even Wi-Fi is up to almost 45K. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Let's see. So Jack Bruni says, I need a basic lesson on the reason to provide liquidity. Why would you do that? I tried it just for a lesson, but I don't know how to figure out if I'm benefiting. ETH/BOW LP on Uni 2. Oh, I see. Okay, so Jack over here is providing liquidity for ETH. Providing liquidity for the ETH and BOW pair on Uniswap. Well, I guess on Uni V2, right? So the reason to provide liquidity, it just depends. So right now, actually, good question. I'm providing liquidity for Mirror Protocol, so we can actually go back here. My account isn't connected to Brave because it's just not. But so like there's two things you can do, right? If let's say I'm interested in Mirror in this case, and I did make a video about this as well. I can either buy the coin, hold it, and just wait for it to go up in price, and just like any other coin that you guys probably hold, or you can provide liquidity for it. And in that case, usually the way it works, and the way Uniswap really works, is you get I think it's 0.3% of the fees, of the trading fees within that pool, is distributed to anyone providing liquidity for it. So the only reason you'd want to provide liquidity is to get the extra fees that you get from providing liquidity, which is 0.3%. But obviously you have to split that up between everyone providing liquidity, as well as to stake those liquidity pool tokens as well. So like, for example, if we go over here, and I don't know if you can do it with Uni, but I know with Mirror you can. Like if you provide liquidity here, you stake the tokens, you would get 165% APR in it, which is a lot. I mean, so the question is, do you want to potentially just hold the coin, not do anything, and just wait to sell it at a higher price, which for the most part is usually the safest bet, to be honest, and usually the most profitable, to be frank. Or do you want to provide liquidity, get the trading fees, get the trading fee rewards, as well as the liquidity pool staking rewards too. I provided liquidity for it, and one thing I didn't realize, which is a negative for providing liquidity, is impermanent loss, which is if the price of one of the assets goes up too much, which is what you want usually, you won't see that actual like raw gain that you would if you were just holding the coin. So I think for the most part, you would want to just hold the coin, to be honest with you, Jack. Yeah. Oh, good looks, brother. You already saw the video. There you go. Yeah. So if I were to go back, I probably wouldn't have provided liquidity. I mean, I like that I'm, what do you call it? I like that I'm providing to the ecosystem, but I mean, come on. 300% is 300%, baby. John Atwood says he's scared of 2017 repeating itself and everything crashing, bro. Yeah, dude. I mean, aren't we all? Yeah, I mean, I can't see that happening anytime soon. It's only February. The way this cycles usually work, it's like, and I guess it's only happened like once or twice. So I guess we don't really have too much info to go off of, or past evidence. But I'm gonna give it some time, to be honest with you, because it's still so early. I mean, we're gonna talk about this in a little while, but MasterCard is just now allowing merchants to accept payments in crypto. What? Do we hear that? Do we hear this public adoption coming? You know what I mean? So I think we're still pretty early. I wouldn't worry about it until later on this year, maybe midway through the year, later on at the end of the year. That's maybe when you want to start to really consider, all right, I should probably start cashing out a lot of this stuff. That's what I would think, Depends how much you're up as well. Because if you're already up a lot of money, then start cashing out now, Cashing out is definitely, it's a healthy thing to do, trust me. As a person who went through 2017 and didn't cash out, I know. AM Motivation says, what do I think about Chromia? I don't think I know what Chromia is. Let's take a look. Did that also do 100x? Oh yeah, I've seen this before. Oh, it's actually down 5%. Interesting. I have not heard of Chromia. Well, I've heard of Chromia. I just haven't looked into it actually, because it does look familiar. I'm sorry I can't answer your question, my friend. Motivation, like your name, by the way. Gotta have motivation. Jack says that's when I started questioning what the heck I was doing when he saw my video. When you saw my video about providing liquidity. Yeah, dude. Listen, DeFi is dope, man. DeFi is so cool. It's just, like, yeah, like, it's not that you can lose a lot of money by participating in DeFi. 'Cause you certainly can if you get rug pulled or scammed or whatever. But it's more like the opportunity cost. It's like you may not make as much money as you could if you just relaxed and just bought the coin and left it. That's kind of the thing. That's where like the human condition comes in, and it's like, all right, should I mean, well, no, listen, if you want to provide liquidity and contribute to a network, by all means, okay? Honestly, I should, like, that's the one thing that's really good about it, right? I mean, you really are doing like a service to crypto and pretty much anyone using it. But you're definitely not seeing as much gains in the short term. In the long term, let's say assuming Mirror or whatever coin you have stays up, like say for who knows how long, just depends on what the APR is, then you're probably gonna get more money coming back. It all just depends. It really does. But yeah, if you don't know, you should probably do some more research, much like I did. But let's see. Let's keep going. Because there were a couple of coins. Yeah, no, permanent loss. God. There were a couple of coins that were doing very good today. Verge is up as well today. Let's take a look at Verge. I know a couple of the homies like Verge. Look at that chart. Oh God. You know what I realized? I didn't even know that. Let me see. Verge didn't go up that high. What was the high for Verge actually? For XVG. Let's see. All-time high was 30 cents. I didn't even realize that. I thought the all-time high was like 18 cents. Dude, 30 cents? Wow. If I would have seen, because mind you, I held Verge. All right, listen. Don't make fun of me. I held Verge all the way from over here to pretty much to, actually, I held Verge all the way from here to now. So I held through all that. Listen, bro, let me just tell you, I got diamond hands, as they say, diamond hands. But oh, God, is that painful? I never looked at how much Verge I had when it hit 30 cents, because I didn't even realize it hit 30 cents. And at the time, the market cap, like Verge was dead ass like a top 10 coin when it hit that. Yeah, because the market cap was literally over 3 billion. It was over $3 billion. Oh my God, that's crazy. So that's crazy. That is nuts. But not only that, we got some Verge. We got a whole bunch of different coins just kind of breaking loose. Let's take a look at the actual what do you call it? The gainers and losers for today. Okay, I don't even know what that is. That's 6.7 million% up. Is that what that is? Holy shit! I don't know, but you know what? What I did want to actually mention today, though, very specifically, is the coins that are going up. And I'm actually gonna make a video about this probably tomorrow, just walking around. But yeah, since I'm on a live stream, why not? The coins that are really doing some gains, and I did mention it before at some point, but any coin related to DeFi, essentially, any coin related to decentralized exchanges, flash loans, obviously, but anything related to DeFi, all those count as DeFi. Those are all going to do like amazing, as well as are already doing amazing, right? But not only that, mainly look at the Ethereum competitors. And I've like I said, I made a couple of videos about them, but all of them have like blown up in price, right? I mean, let's just take a look at a couple examples, right? Terra Luna. Okay, this one is disgusting to me. Okay, when I made the video about Mirror Protocol, which is what Terra or Luna is built on, Terra was right around 50 cents, I think it was. Let me see, was it 50 cents? Okay, it was 80 cents. It was about 80 cents. And it pumped all the way up to about $7. It's not so really showing it here, but it pumped all the way up to $7. So instead of buying Mirror, I could have bought Luna and been up like 700%, pretty much. So Terra did amazing. And it's a really good blockchain as well. I mean, it's a lot quicker than Ethereum at this point. Elrond, another Ethereum competitor, right? I'm making a video about this soon. Look at that run up, dude. Look at that run up. $26. It did 6x all the way up to oh, okay, never mind. It did a lot more than that. 8x to $200, right? It's going down now, but it's only because it ran up 800%, right? Where is the other one? Avalanche. Oh my God, Avalanche. Horrible, bro. This shit literally was down for the longest, $2-3, and it went all the way up to about $55. So, any type of Ethereum competitor, any type of blockchain that you can do smart contracts on, you know, those are going to be the coins, as far as I can see, that are going to do really good. Solana is another one down there. And why? I mean, it's kind of obvious, right? Ethereum is too slow. It costs too much to use. Today I bought, like, literally, I'm going to show you guys a coin I bought today. I got a coin on Ethereum that I thought, might have some good potential. And it cost me $60 to buy it. You know what I mean? Just because I was using Uniswap. Where was it? I think it was it Hather? No, I think it was Hydra DX. This one, HDX. So this one, right? It's so like low key unknown that it doesn't even have a ranking on CoinMarketCap. It might be on CoinGecko. But the point is, they had their own little like I guess it was like a pre-sale of some sort today, and essentially I spent $60 to buy it, just to buy into it, and that's how much it costs to use Ethereum, and that wasn't even like I guess you could say like a complicated smart contract, because there's another one today too. I think I spent a lot more. I sold another coin, similar to Mirror, but also on Ethereum. Actually, let me show you guys as well. I think it's like Deuce Finance is what it's called. Let me see. Hopefully none of you guys have this. Could be mad at me for selling it. But I I transferred some. I think I sold some of this to Ethereum, and literally, I kid you not, it cost me $120 in fees. Usually I would never do it, but I was like, the opportunity cost is worth it. So, screw it. But my God, $120 in fees just for swapping this one, $60 in fees for that. I almost paid $200 in fees in total today, just to use Ethereum. And I only did 2 transactions. So that kind of shows you that there's an issue with Ethereum, and that's why everything else is pumping right now. Anything that has smart contracts on it, pumping. Binance Coin. I almost forgot about this one. Sleeper for so long. Like literally, it's been chilling at the same price for who knows how long, and it finally just went vertical. Look at that, $124. So any coin that has some sort of potential against Ethereum is the wave, essentially. And that Hydra one that I mentioned, I should have mentioned that earlier, is pretty much a parachain on Polkadot. So that's pretty much the only Polkadot related coin that I have at this point. Because everything else was already up a shitload, and I don't know. I don't feel comfortable buying at the high, even though things, we know crypto, the high is never actually the high. I just don't feel good about it. PancakeSwap doing amazing as well. What was it, 60 cents? It literally like 10x essentially just in about a month. What's over $6.50 at some point? Crazy. So if any of you guys are looking for like a good coin to get into, by all means, look at the coins that are pretty much competing with Ethereum, because right now there's no competition, essentially. The only competition that there really is just marketing. That's it. And, like, who knows about the project? Because I'll tell you, dude, it's pretty crazy how all these coins are doing, like, amazing. I mean, granted, even DeFi on Uniswap is doing good. I mean, sorry, DeFi on Ethereum is doing good, too. Uniswap, $21, 33 cents. That is crazy. I still can't believe it's over $20. 1 inch. Where's 1 inch? I think 1 inch was up today as well. I literally just passed it. Oh, here we go. $5, 50 cents. They're all high as hell, bro. It's crazy. Eugene asks, are you looking into Reef? Everyone is talking about it. That sounds familiar as well. I don't know. Let me see. That's the thing, bro. There's like so many different coins. Everyone's talking about everything. Is this on Polkadot as well? It looks like a Polkadot based coin. Just by looking at the little icon. Reef.finance. No, I've not looked into it. I'll tell you that much. But it looks like it just came out last month, and market cap of 128 million. Bro, I'll be honest with you, Eugene. I'm not sure about Reef. Not sure about any of the other ones, but like what I've been looking for are like DeFi related coins that have some sort of that operate on a different network than Ethereum, but have a market cap that's like low as shit, like below 50 million. I mean, preferably around 10. Yeah, because that says, hey, you know what? People trusted enough to put 10 million into it, but at the same time, there's still a lot of opportunity for it. That's the way I've been seeing. 'Cause in that case, if we're looking for that, then you would need to go. Actually, anything below 50 million is below the 300 range in coin market cap, which I think is pretty legitimate, dude. I heard of Audius actually. Oh, I think Bao Finance. Oh yeah, that's what you're talking about, Jack. There you go, Bao. Well, that's the only one that's down, it looks like. Oh shit, maybe it's time to buy. But yeah, so I like to find those low cap gems personally, and that's why for the most part, like you don't see me really talking much about like if we go back over there, right? Let's if we go back over here, you don't see me talking about a lot of these different coins, obviously besides Ethereum and Bitcoin, because like I don't really like I have Chainlink, but that's really it. Like I don't have the rest of these. I don't have any of these. I probably should, but I don't. Yeah. Eugene says there's way more opportunity in low cap coins, but dot projects are speculative as hell. I would 100% agree. I 100% agree. That's the thing, dude. That's kind of the issue, right? So that's why I'll be honest. Like, hey, most of you guys already know. I have most of my bags already packed. You know what I mean? Like my packs are already back. They're packed to the moon. I'm ready to go already. I'm just like I just have like I guess you could say I have like a trading bag, very small amount of crypto that I'll like put here and there just to see like like where it goes essentially. Because no, a little bit goes a long way in crypto. I'll tell you for sure. And then Hather Network is the other one that I got today as well. Yeah, I bought it at 27 cents, so I'm not up yet. You know what I mean? So like stuff like this, and other projects. Like Eugene said, it's very speculative, especially stuff on Polkadot, because this is like a lot of different projects coming out on Polkadot, but a lot of it is just like promises right now. So that's why I'll always say, do not invest what you're now willing to lose, because like my bag's already packed. Like I said, I already got my crypto in. I already have like my main crypto bag that I'm not really changing much, because why would I? But I have like a trading bag, obviously, where I can just kind of get in and out of different projects. Because let's be honest, it gets boring. You're holding the same coins, you see everything else going up, and it's like shit. At least if I have like a little holding in another project, I'm cool. But and the crazy thing is too is that a lot of these altcoins are being added to like these different exchanges. Like what was that? What was that thing called? Coinbase? Not Coinbase Commerce. It was Coinbase Custody, where they're like adding different altcoins to it, so different companies can actually buy them and have them held by Coinbase. Beast. Like that is dope. You know what I mean? It's just another thing to potentially get hyped for a project to get added to Coinbase Custody, even though it's not the same as adding it to the Coinbase exchange. But yeah, so I'm really looking forward to all this shit. Literally, almost everything is green. Ban protocol. Ban is essentially like an alternative to Chainlink, right? Geez, what else we got over here? What else is like? What's up a lot over here on the second page? 96%. What was that? Dent. Dent. What? Wait. Whenever I have to see Dent, I think of like a dentist coin. Oh, Utrust. Oh, that's what it was. That's why Utrust pumped, because they added that to Coinbase Custody, right? So where is Utrust then? Is it up here? Hold on. Let me 30%, 40%, 42 cents for UTK. Crazy, bro. Yeah. I'm surprised that it's funny because UTK is pretty much, it's kind of like Coinbase to a certain extent. Like they have their own like commerce platform where you can integrate that into your website or into your like business and whatnot. That's so weird that they would add that, but it's legitimate, so I guess maybe that's why. Right? Pretty obviously. But I did want to let's go ahead and take a look at this MasterCard news. Honestly, very random, but I think this is going to be pretty big in terms of the long-term things, and because like as an overview, if you're not currently aware, crypto is currently classified as property in the U.S. or New York at least. So essentially, right now, what's going on is cryptocurrency should theoretically be classified as a currency, because that's what it is. It's in the freaking name, for Christ's sake. But U.S. government is classifying it as property for whatever reason. But I think once MasterCard allows people to pay in crypto, I gotta assume that's going to change. There's no way they're going to be that hard-headed. And Eugene, yeah, they're trying to be like PayPal essentially, but a better version, hopefully, because PayPal sucks. But let's take a look. The payments giant plans to support digital currency transactions directly on their network. Let's take a look by our man Danny Nelson. This was published today, actually. MasterCard is planning to give merchants the option to receive payments in crypto later this year. According to a source familiar with the matter, the functionality will see MasterCard customers' digital currency payments settled in crypto at participating merchants, a first for the financial giant. The company has not yet disclosed which digital currencies it intends to support or where. I saw an amendment to this article, and we're going to go down and we'll see it soon. But I think they actually mentioned that it's going to be stable coins that they're going to be using, I guess, which makes sense. I just don't know which stable coins they're actually going to use. I'd be surprised if they used any of the existing ones. Like I would be surprised if MasterCard used any coins that are currently exist. I would think that they'd probably make their own stable coin, only because of all the implications that currently come with using Tether, USDC, and them potentially not being backed by the dollar and all that shit. I don't think that they'd want to get it tied up with that, but I could be wrong. But the details shed new light in CEO Michael Maybach. Maybach? Is his last name Maybach? Q4 to pledge to integrate digital currency payments directly on our network. In a move, the new chief helming his first earnings call on January 28th said will provide maximal flexibility to customers and merchants alike. Beautiful. Romario, what is going on, brother? You tuned in just to hear about what MasterCard is doing with their crypto, what they're planning on doing at least. But previously, MasterCard supported limited crypto transactions through its crypto card partners WireX and Uphold. Oh, I guess, yeah, I forgot about Uphold. I think Uphold's pretty big in the UK, actually. I think someone mentioned that. I know Brave uses Uphold. But those programs only cover those programs only cover payments and not settlements. The coins are converted to fiat currency well before reaching the merchant, and that's the key right there. So currently, with any crypto card you use, anytime you pay with crypto at any means currently in this society, it's never technically like crypto to crypto transfer. It's always you pay in crypto, it's exchanged to like dollars or fiat, whatever the local currency is, and then it's given to the merchant. You know what I mean? I guess because what the fuck is the merchant going to do with your Bitcoin once you send it to them for like a cup of coffee or something? And that's dope. That's actual. That is actually an actual adoption right there. In the beginning, I think it was cool just to be able to say that you could pay in crypto, even though technically it wasn't settled in crypto. But this would be amazing. Wow, coins that are converted to fiat currency. That is dope, dude. So it's settled in crypto. I wonder what the tax implications of that would be, though. Because again, I mean, currently, right now, since it is technically counted as property, I think you'd get taxed less if it wasn't counted as property. I think that's the issue. I think that's why the government doesn't want us to, they don't want to consider it, a currency. Those clowns. But the new initiative promises to upend the dynamic among the store owners and businesses who opt in. They will be able to conduct their business beyond the bounds of the fiat ecosystem, assuming, of course, their customers have crypto that they're willing to spend. Oh, which is the other thing. I mean, let's be honest. Who's really trying to spend their crypto? I mean, either way, it's a taxable event when you spend it. But it's like, for the most part, you're not really going to end up spending your crypto unless you like tether out. Unless you tether out, you stable coin out, and you have some left over that you just want to spend. I mean, that's different, right? I don't know. But that's crazy, bro. Let's keep going. So that's hardly a safe bet, given the buy and hold mantra pervading the world's largest crypto, of course, Bitcoin. Buyers primarily treating their coins as investment vehicles instead of a payment tool. And the source underscored there's no guarantee MasterCard's settlement initiative will support Bitcoin. Yeah, I don't think that they would support Bitcoin. Because the thing is that if they were to support Bitcoin or any of these other cryptos, they need to keep in mind the transaction fees. And they're not going to pay that. And neither would I. You know what I mean? So it wouldn't be worth it, It's crazy. But Amadio asks, what new projects have you looked into recently? I did just mention them a little while ago. I'm gonna mention them again. Just let me kind of get through this article real quick, or at least anything more interesting in here. Let's see. Oh my God. Okay, I was gonna say, I thought they were mentioning Libra in terms of Facebook. That would be horrible. But anyways, instead, okay, this is actually interesting here. So instead, crypto will be evaluated against MasterCard's 2019 Principles for Blockchain Partnerships framework. Oh, so MasterCard already has a framework for what they consider essentially a good blockchain to use, is what it looks like. Oh, wow. So the document placed emphasis on stability, consumer protection, and regulatory compliance in vetting potential partners. So 100% not Tether. I think USDC is probably what they're going to end up using if they use an existing one. Because stability, USDC is, well, oh no, but that's based on Ethereum. Well, no, I think they have different chain. I wonder what chain they're going to use. You know what I'm saying? That's what I wonder. But the thing is that, put it this way, they need a coin that at the end of the day they have some sort of control over. USDC, if you're not aware, USDC isn't completely decentralized by any means. You can still technically have if you have USDC, you can actually have your wallet with your USDC on it blacklisted, if they choose to do it. Like there's like an actual like a function within the contract itself that you can blacklist a specific address and delete the coins essentially. So I could see them using USDC because of that reason, because they need to have that kind of control. They need to at the end of the day. That's crazy. And as they say over here, many of today's 2,600 digital currencies fail to do this. In a blog post published after this story, the MasterCard Executive VP for Blockchain and Digital Asset Projects, Raj Damodaran, hinted stablecoins will be the primary beneficiary of MasterCard's coming integration. There you go. So they clearly say right here that most likely it's going to be stablecoins that end up, taking the step forward here. But here, in this case, our philosophy on cryptocurrencies is straightforward. It's about choice. MasterCard isn't here to recommend you start using cryptos, but they're here to enable customers, merchants, and businesses to move digital value, which is dope. Honestly, I'm down with that. Even if they are going to use some sort of, totalitarian crypto. Relatively few merchants currently accept crypto, Bitcoin or no. Tesla's stated plans to sell cars for Bitcoin remains a hypothetical, even though technically they did say that, didn't they? A widespread crypto economy is still far from reality. Unfortunately, that is the truth. But I think we're going to see it come a lot quicker than most people think. A lot more quicker than, what's his name thinks, Peter Schiff. But MasterCard has been laying the groundwork for the future. MasterCard has been laying the groundwork for that future through years of patents around the digital currency space. The company said it holds 89 blockchain patents and is waiting for approval on additional 285 around the world. See, that's the other thing. Do we like that? Do we like that the fact that they're trying to patent things related to blockchain? Isn't the point of blockchain and crypto for it to be open source, usable by everybody, and everyone's able to reap the benefits from it? I don't know. In the U.S., those filings have included methods to keep crypto transactions private. Oh, interesting. On-chain credit card payment verification. That is fire. Instant blockchain payment processing. Oh, wow. And how to handle crypto refunds, among others. Oh, God. A lot of cool stuff. See, that's what I'm saying, though. Unfortunately, so imagine they come up with some really cool way to make, for example, on-chain credit card payment verification happen. That's huge. But my question then would be, okay, so if another project wants to take from that and maybe build on it, are they going to allow that? And you know what I mean? And that's the issue. Now you have to ask, are you going to allow us to try to innovate on that idea that you came up with? Because think about it. That's how a lot of these blockchains and cryptos came to be. It's ideas taking from other projects. Most blockchains in the beginning, most cryptos and projects and whatnot copied Bitcoin. They copied the code base, they copied the actual code itself, renamed a couple things, changed a couple parameters, and called it a completely different coin. But here they're saying this is pretty much these patents will put an end to that type of innovation, which is very unfortunate. It really is. But MasterCard first filed a patent for handling Bitcoin payments in 2013, but abandoned that effort in 2015. Oh, I wonder why. Oh, wow. So they really So they really started doing their thing in around 2019. I see. But yeah, so as you can see here, just as a little side note, they published a blog post after this article confirming its plans to settle transactions in crypto on its network. Oh, okay. No, so I read that incorrectly. I thought it said stable coins. But okay. That's crazy, dude. Yes, sir, Andrew. That is true. MasterCard is adding crypto, my brother. Crazy, bro. Crazy. So we'll see. We don't know which cryptos yet. I wouldn't get your hopes up. I wouldn't get your hopes up on it being like fucking Verge or Utrust or anything like that. But most likely a stable coin. But yes, dude, Verge is pumping. Romario, where is it at right now? Okay, there we go. All right, we're doing some numbers. But no, so you're saying what products have I been looking at? Yeah, I mentioned them earlier. Just how Hydra DX was one of them. This one is a parachain. Well, it's supposed to be a parachain off Polkadot. They aren't just yet, but they just had their pre-sale today, I think is what it was, on Balancer. But it's supposed to be a parachain that focuses on, what do you call it? Protocol for liquidity, essentially, like a huge ass liquidity pool and whatnot. But yeah, honestly, listen, I didn't do the most research. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just saw that it looked pretty dope. Low market cap was just coming out. Said fuck it, do some change at it. You know what I'm saying? That and Hathor Network as well. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, here we go. John Atwood asks, off topic, when I buy Bitcoin on Coinbase to transfer it to KuCoin, would I be able to send it to KuCoin on the same day that I bought it? No, you will not. When you buy Bitcoin on Coinbase, I think when you buy Bitcoin anywhere, you guys can let me know because I know not all of you guys, we're not all from the same area. You know, if you buy Bitcoin off Coinbase or Gemini, you have to wait for a couple of days for, I guess, I don't know why they make you wait. I guess it's like, I don't know, legal reasons or whatever. You have to wait a couple of days for it to actually land into your account for you to transfer it. Because I do know that you can trade it right away, like within your account, but you can't send it anywhere right away. Like you have to wait a couple of days, which really sucks. I think that's just to avoid any like laundering stuff like that. I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea, but that's what they usually say is what it is. Due to AML and KYC concerns, you know, all that stuff. Ramadio says, I hope the market corrects tonight, holding a ton of USD. My brother. Hey, bro. Well, let's see. I don't know. I mean, it's literally everything. Okay, Avalanche isn't. Elrond isn't. That's because they just pumped up like crazy. But almost everything is green, bro. Look at the weekly. Let's see. Yo, what pumped the most this week? BitTorrent. God damn. Avalanche, 200%. IOTA. I haven't heard of IOTA in a while, dude. Crazy. Yo, Eugene said no time for research. The way the market's moving right now. Yo, that's a fact. No. No, yo. Listen, dude. Just a little bit of research. You know, like I need enough research to know that. All right, does this look like a rug pull? Do I feel like I'm about to lose all my money? And if I get a feeling that I'm not, I'm in. That's all I need to know. You know. No. Because I, you know, for Hydra DX in this case, I checked the GitHub. They were active on there. I checked the people were talking about it on Twitter and whatnot. All right, okay, we got a little social volume. We got we got code going on. So as long as that's happening, I mean, you know, why not? Yeah, Romario says it's too green to buy right now. Well, that's the thing, bro. See, that's why. You know, I'm glad you mentioned that, bro. That's why, like, you know, when we're looking at this, right? Ranking everything by the top coins, everything here feels like it's like you said, you don't want to buy at the top. No one wants to buy at the top. I hate buying at the top. I've done it before, but I only do it when it's like coins that are deep, bro. When we're talking about top 300, top 400, you know what I'm saying? Coins that are deep here, so that even though they're in the green, there's still so much potential, bro. The entire market cap is almost 1.5 trillion dollars for crypto in general. And, you know, I think anything below a $50 million market cap to me is like, you know, assuming that they're actually doing shit like related to DeFi or a potential ETH competitor, then I mean, it's hard not to throw some money at it. You know what I mean? Obviously, you have to do a little more research than that. But the opportunity is still pretty high for coin this low, is what I'm saying. So even if it is green here, it's like, okay, whatever. Like both of the coins that I bought today were green, but it's like, okay, whatever. I mean, it's either buy in now, make a little bit of money, or just not buy in and just sit on the sidelines. So, I don't know. Our Kaza says, how you feeling about Tau? Dude, Lambda Tau, bro. Lambda was like, it's still one of my favorite potential ETH competitors. And it already works. I have me some Tau as well. But it's just like, I don't think they market it like well at all. No offense to the team. But because I really mess with it, but they really, damn, the library's at 307. Oh yeah, it's a lot to go. Anyways, yeah, hold on. Yo, where is Tau, dude? Tau is like top 900, bro. Oh my god. See, that's what I'm saying, bro. Because they have a great product. It sure works beautifully, but they don't market it at all. No one's talking about it. That's the issue, bro. And I know they said they were coming out with like a Uniswap-esque thing for, you know, like an automated market maker for Tau. But I never saw it. I don't know. I mean, maybe it's already out. I don't even know about it. But that's the issue. No one knows what's going on. Marketing, my friends, marketing. As far as the product may be, doesn't mean anything's happening. It doesn't mean people are actually going to care about it, right? Because no one knows about it. But honestly, if it wasn't for these guys, if their marketing was on point, I can almost guarantee you, Lambda would easily be a top 300, top 200 coin. The market cap's only $6 million, bro. Oh my god! I know I'm gonna hit myself over the head with this thing later on in the year when they actually start marketing and then their price spikes up. Oh my god! Oh, they have. Okay, Okasa, you're probably from Tau. Rocket Swap. All right, I'm gonna take a look tonight, and if it's true, if they have a Fire S, swapping platform, then we might see. But even so, bro, the volume's only 70K for the day. It's very unfortunate, bro. Because again, I love the product that they have. Eugene says buy high, sell higher. Was that you who said that in the comment section? I remember someone said that. And I was just laughing my ass off in the comments. Buy high, sell higher, dude. That should be the mantra for crypto. My God. Yeah, wait. What about the other one? So people have been showing me like crazy these the Polkadot stuff. Polstarter or Pulse or Polka Starter was like one of the biggest ones that people were mentioning. How much was it? 25 cents. About 10x from there. It's crazy, bro. I got a headache. You know what I mean? Buy high, sell higher, bro. Nah, dude. No, no. You meant to say buy high, sell higher. That's what he meant to say. You know what I mean? So here's the thing, right? Perfect example, guys. We're all here right now. We're looking at this chart. We see Polka starters at $2.97. Who's not saying that this shit couldn't be like $29.70 in a month? You know what I mean? This isn't me telling you to buy it right now. I'm not buying it. This is not financial advice, but I'm just saying, like, this is how like this crypto space be going, bro. I mean, jeez, like, yo, listen. The other day, I'm gonna get real with y'all right here. Hold on, can y'all see me? All right, good. The other day, I was hanging out with my girl, and it was in the morning, and this was when Avalanche. I'm gonna put the screen back up again. This is when Avalanche climbed from $3 all the way up to $55. Okay. And pretty much I made a video about Avalanche a while ago. I went out into the snow like a bozo. And I just talked about it. Like a review. That video didn't do good when Avalanche came out all the way back here, like in November or whatnot, or I think it was in early December. But dude, it did amazing the other day because the price was pumping. So, I felt good. I'm like, oh, this is dope. I'm getting some views in this video. That's nice, and people actually like it. But bro, like, think about it, bro. Like, I could have bought it at that time instead of making a video. So I'm not too tight about it, but I don't know. It's just like, I'm sure you guys get it. It's that feeling in the back of your head where it's like, yo, I thought about the coin. I saw it at that price and I didn't get it. And now it's up. I hate that feeling, bro. I hate it. Oh my God. Yo, Eugene says polls is easy money, bro. That's what I'm saying. I still don't have it. Cause like I can't because everyone knows about it. It's at its all-time high. I just can't, bro. Even if it goes to $20, I'm gonna feel like shit, but I just can't. It's not in me to pull the trigger when something is at its all-time high and it's like still pumping. Andrew Augsburger, my man. He said, would you say crypto has a decent learning curve? Well, what do you mean by decent learn? I mean, crypto in general. I think crypto in general has a huge learning curve. Huge learning curve. I think it's pretty difficult. Like especially nowadays, right? Especially nowadays, I think it's really difficult to get into crypto without knowing anything because of how complicated it is now. I think in 2017 it was a lot easier because the most complicated thing that was out, the big thing in this space and the most complicated thing that was out was just ICOs. So it's just wrapping your head around the thought that, hey, you know what? These guys are releasing public offerings like companies do with their stocks, but with crypto. And anyone can do it by just making a coin on Ethereum, And there was no ETH competitor because Ethereum was the only platform. Pretty much. I know Cardano and other things were around, but none of them were near working at all. I think it was a lot easier to get into it in 2017 than it is now, because now it's so complicated. I mean, there's some projects even now like API 3 that I spoke about the other day. Let's see how much that is, by the way. This shit is complicated as fuck. Like I shit you not, like this is pretty complicated. I had to read through the white paper. I had to look, like, go to the website multiple times and truly understand what this was. But like this stuff isn't easy to get. I would say for the most part though, if you can understand, like, if you can wrap your head around these top 10 coins, I think you'll be good. Like if you're new to the space, and even that's a lot. I mean, by all means. But if you can wrap your head around these top 10 coins, I think you'll be lit. Even these two, Bitcoin. If you just understand what Bitcoin is, that's the basics of blockchain. If you understand what Ethereum is, that's what everything essentially is copying right now, but with their own mechanism towards it. Like Cardano, Stellar, Avalanche, Polkadot, obviously, they all handle tokens on their platform differently than Ethereum does. So that's the thing, because even Polkadot is kind of like a mind fuck. It really is. Fisherman, fucking, what was the other one? I don't remember the structure for Polkadot, but it's so weird. And so it's weird for Avalanche as well. It's very weird. He said, Eugene says, Radix could be a sleeping giant. Financial advice. All right, let's see. All right, no. Okay, we're putting Eugene on blast. He said that we can make some money off Radix. All right, hold up. I'm putting you on blast here, bro. Hold on, the fully diluted market cap is 685 million. Why is it? Oh, because there's no circulating supply. That's why. But the max supply is 4.4 billion. Billion? All right, what is this, bro? No. Hold on. This dude says financial advice. We're taking a look. Bitfinex, decentralized finance protocol. I think. Ooh, there's a little square root sign. I like that. Their first layer 1 protocol specifically built to serve DeFi. Is this built on Ethereum, bro? Because if it is, I can't mess with it. I can't, bro. But it's on Bitfinex. That's surprising. Let's see. Here we can look at the price. One Radix. All right. Let's see. Oh, okay. It hasn't pumped quite yet. It came out in November though. Bro, it's on Ethereum. Okay, I can't be paying $60, $100 to get into another coin, bro. Like, I was able to pay it earlier today because I had some profits, but bro, any more fees, and that's just gonna cut into all the gains. You know what I mean? It's gonna cut into. Yo, hold on, let me see. What looks better, this or this? I think this looks better, right? Like this better. Nah. I like the light theme better. But yeah, nah. So it's yeah. If you can understand these top 10 coins, I think you'll be chilling. Especially if you can understand Polkadot. I think Polkadot's pretty complicated. Because other than that, it's pretty straightforward. But I think the main thing with crypto is that, like, the only people that really make a lot of money off crypto are people who do it full time. Like, believe it or not, like, I don't even do crypto full time. When I say do crypto, I'm talking about like participate in DeFi, constantly on Twitter or Reddit. Like I'm honestly not like that. Like I'll do research when I feel like I want to and whatnot. And obviously when I have to, in terms of like making videos and stuff, I have to know what's going on in the space. But like I am not in this shit 24/7 on Twitter, like shit posting. Like I can't do that. I don't have the brain for it, but like I don't have like the mental capacity for it. Like I need a break, bro. You know what I'm saying? My eyes get tired. My brain gets tired. Light mode. Oh damn, bro. Hold on. Andrew said light mode. Ramadi said dark mode. All right, listen, Ramadi. I think we might have to keep it light. All right, Andrew was first. What's going on, Nazca? How you doing, brother? Andrew says, besides Doge, are there any other trend coins? Trend? Well, you're talking about like the mainstream trend? Not really, bro. I mean, you have Doge. Obviously, you have Bitcoin. Well, actually, no. Ripple was actually, I think, one of the biggest trend coins, you could say. I think Ripple really was. Interestingly enough, people who didn't have Bitcoin in 2017, there were so many people who were on Ripple, like a crazy amount. But ever since that lawsuit, I think they kind of fell out of favor. So if not Ripple, believe it or not, bro, listen, I'm very biased, but when Verge starts to pump, mad people come out the woodworks, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. If Verge is able to go back to 5-10 cents, bro, I guarantee you half of crypto Twitter is gonna be talking about it, bro. Like they have a huge community. And if you actually take a look at their Twitter page, and I'm not going to be on this too long, I promise you. If you take a look at their Twitter page, they should have a, where is it? They also have a lot of markets, by the way. But where the fuck is the Twitter page? Community? Oh, here we go. They have 250,000 followers. So yeah, they have a pretty big following. It's very just low key. It's very low key. Automadio knows, bro. Eugene says, "What's 50?" Okay, okay. I missed out some of that stuff. Noskax, what do you think of injection? Yeah, dude. Okay, so injective was another one. I did not participate in injective because it was already so high. Rank 119, $233 million market cap, which actually isn't that much now that I think about it. I didn't participate in it, bruh. You know, I'm sure it's fire. I couldn't. It was too high already, bruh. Yes, I know it's fucking dumb, but it's a dumb answer. But I'm just like that. Like I like the feeling of getting in early. And to me, top 100 to 200 to me is not early enough. But Naska, if you got in this shit early, then congratulations, brother. I mean, I'm sure it's fire. I just honestly don't know enough about it because to me it was already too high. Eugene says, "What's $50 if it goes 10x?" That's a fact, brother. That's pretty much what happened to SPI. Jack says Scotty P was talking about ethanol, enol, and UNDG for gas savers. I didn't get a chance to check it out. I'm not sure what that is, but I'll copy and paste that. I'll take a look later on because I would love to save some gas as well, brother. I already drive a V8, so eats up a lot of gas. Romario says I'm verge of 20 cents. Nah, bro, shit. Yo, I didn't even realize that it hit 30 cents at some point, which is nuts. I thought it hit 18 and that was it. But I don't know. I don't know, bro. Like, again, like there's some coins that I just like again, cult coin. I think what you meant to say. Who asked that again? I think Andrew, what you meant to say was like cult coins. So any cult coins, bro. Yeah, Doge is the biggest one. Ripple was definitely the second one, but I don't think people really are hyped about it anymore. You know. Andrew asked, "What car?" So I used to drive a. He said, "Eat gas." Nah, bro, I know, I got you. Yeah, eat gas. I used to drive a Mercury Grand Marquis. I'll show you guys right now. Grand Marquis. I had to sell it because it was had to get rid of my parking space. But I used to drive this old thing. Hold on. Oh wait, hold on. What am I doing? This is a Grand Marquis Mercury. Dude, this thing was a guzzler. This thing ate more gas than literally than any smart contract on Ethereum, bro. This thing was horrible on gas. But I'll tell you, whenever I pulled up on people, like they always thought I was a cop. So I would never get robbed. I could park in the Bronx overnight, windows open and everything, and I'd be fine. But nah, dude, no. Yeah. So who knows? Listen, maybe instead I get me a Model 3 if shit goes well this year. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That's crazy. I really like how they have that here though. To be honest, I think that's pretty dope. But nah, yeah. So I think we chilling though. I mean, it's really nice to see kind of everything just like green right now, bro. Like it's funny. It's just like we've been in essentially like a state of what do you call it? It's like perpetual upness, perpetual just one direction ever since what is this? It's pretty much March, bro. Ever since, I mean, I guess you could say almost every market has been, but look, I mean, and I'm sure you guys remember, we've seen some down days between now and then, but ever since here, we've been just going up, up and up and up, you know? I mean, it really wasn't up until, like, you know, the fall that we really started kicking into gear, especially here. Look at that volatility, dude. Wow, that's crazy. It is crazy. He said, Andrew called me a Fed. Listen, bro. Oh, my, this is so bright. I'm putting the glasses back on. Nah, bro. Listen. I wonder if any of the Feds, or I wonder if anyone in the SEC, or any of those guys are like actually into Bitcoin or crypto in general. You know, like imagine like someone who was like into YFI or DeFi or whatever, like sitting on like as one of like sitting on the board of the SEC. That'd be hilarious. Yeah, they would that would actually probably be bad though, to be honest with you. I could really see people I could really see them actually like screwing a lot of people over just because they know how DeFi works, you know? Every time you one stick, you get taxed 50%. Oh my god, bro. Nah, this is crazy though. I'm definitely happy to see that everything's kind of just chilling. Like, and this, don't get me wrong, none of my bags are like doing crazy good right now. Like they're up. Everything is up for the most part. You know, maybe honestly maybe Verge is my best bag right now. That's going up a lot, but that's it. You know, but I really just want to see like. I really wonder if we're gonna hit like all-time highs for a lot of these old altcoins. Like one altcoin I mentioned a minute ago. The old heads don't believe in crypto. That's the problem, bro. Clowns. One altcoin I mentioned a minute ago was Komodo. $1.11. See, this is one of the coins, bro. Like to me, this coin is like this coin to me like belongs to be in like the top 50. You know, because they already have a working blockchain. They already have side chains that operate on them. They already have something called the entire framework, which is like smart contracts for Ethereum or Solidity. You know what I mean? But no one seems to give a shit. It's just crazy. And it still hasn't passed its all-time high, bro. You know, that goes to show you, bro. Like, that goes to show you that one thing that I will say that I'm like guilty of is just like being like in the beginning of all this stuff was the last year being a little closed-minded to like all the new projects, you know, because like a lot of my bags back then, you know, were just bags that I held from 2017, which included Komodo and all these different, a lot of the different older coins, you know, and I decided not to get rid of them for a minute because I'm like, this new shit isn't gonna take off. This is all bullshit. You know, the old ones are gonna end up doing the better gains. And it turns out, if you were holding any of these older coins, bro, you got fucked. Comparatively, you know. And it's a shame because I think these actually work, but it is what it is, right? John asks, "Is it too late to get into Verge?" Listen, brother. I mean, like, you already know, bro. It ain't financial advice, but y'all already know your boy's holding for a little while. I mean, I want to at least see half of this. I mean, come on, you know what I'm saying? Verge is gonna see at least half of this. Like, although Verge is one of the oldest coins, like you know, I mean, it's been around since what 2014. I think it's been around since 2013. Listen, bro, talk about a cult. I mean, there's a cult behind this shit. But what do I think about Solana? So let's take a look at Solana, because that was another alternative to Ethereum as well. I think there was. Hold on, let me see. Oh my god, wait, hold on. Look at the price. Oh, $1.03, bro, in December. And now it's $9. Yo, like, hold on. I want to know who came out the woodworks in December and January and started buying up all the ETH competitors, bro. That's what I want to know. Yeah, because it's funny because I remember like saying on my like was it on my vlog, my walking vlog, where I was like, you know, you should hedge your bets in, you should have Ethereum, but hedge your bets against Ethereum with these different coins, and I didn't fucking do it. Well, I did, but I did it with Komodo. Oh my god, I forget the hype of speculation. Speculation is key in crypto, apparently. But here we go. Oh wow, wait, hold on. Oh, so they're with Terra as well. Oh wait, Terra. I didn't know Terra was building with the Solana as well. Wow, that's crazy. That's nuts. I mean, listen, dude. Like, I honestly, I don't know much about Solana either, because again, it's top 34. You know what I mean? The only coin that I know a lot about that's not, well, I don't even know that much about Terra either. I know about Mirror Protocol, but nothing more than that. You know. Let me see. It's officially alt season, John says. Nah, bro. I hope it's not. If this is it, bro, I'm gonna cry, bro. None of my bags have gone exponential yet. Have any of them gone exponential? Not really. I think library is probably my best bag so far, because I think I got it when it was like 2 cents and now it's like 14, 7x. Which may seem like a lot to some of you guys, but trust me, there are people who made a lot more than that already. Lindsay asks, how do you feel about AVAX and Everest ID? I don't know what the hell Everest ID is, but AVAX. No, listen, dude. I mean, I think Avalanche, much like Polkadot and these other coins, I mean, they're great. They're great, viable competitors to Ethereum at this point. The only thing, though, I will say, about Avalanche, and this is the reason why I made that video and the reason why I said what I said about it, because I said it was dope, but that it wouldn't beat Ethereum. Because as far as I'm concerned, there is no ecosystem around Avalanche quite yet. Like an ecosystem like a DeFi ecosystem, right? Like different dApps that you can use on Avalanche. So that's one thing. Number two, what was the other one? I think when I was looking at the actual Explorer, there wasn't that many people using it. If I remember correctly. Wait, no, this is a different Explorer. I think this is it. Yeah, this is it. Like, I think I was looking at blocks, I was looking at here. It was either here or somewhere else, but there were like almost no transactions taking place, and I'm like, oh well, okay, well, doesn't look like anyone's using this shit right now. And that was when Avalanche was like $2, so I guess it makes sense. But yeah, no, I mean, I think Avalanche is dope. It just needs an ecosystem, right? Number one. And I mean, I think that was mainly it. There was something else I wanted to say about Avalanche, but I literally just forgot it. Ah, shit, dude. But yeah, Everest idea. It sounds familiar. It sounds very familiar, but I don't know enough about it. Like, I honestly don't know shit about that. What is this, anyways? Oh, these are just top assets. Oh, like they made a Soldier Boy coin. You see what I'm saying, bro? Like this is what I mean, though. So they have a whole bunch of coins made on there already, but no one's using them. No one is, because there's no reason to use them. That's the issue. So to me, dude, although Avalanche this is what I want to say. Although Avalanche to me is better than Polkadot right now, in the sense that Avalanche is actually in its main net and working, I don't know, dude. I think we should just relax. And honestly, I think people should be using Avalanche and these different, alternatives. I'm surprised that no one is, though. I'll be honest with you. Like, I mean, I guess because people are so used to Ethereum and whatnot, but like to me, it's just surprising that AVAX doesn't have more DeFi projects and protocols built on it already. Just because it's in the top 22 already, and it looks like Terra has more stuff built on AVAX, already. So I don't know. That's pretty crazy. That's crazy. $2.6 billion. Wow, that's nuts. But yeah, I don't know. One thing though I do want to say, that I have a lot of hope for, guys. I know it sounds kind of dumb, but DAI, DAI, stable coin on Ethereum. This is, as far as I'm concerned, one of the very few actually decentralized stable coins. This is what we're gonna need, guys. Once we decide we want to cash out and hold our value in crypto, but not hold our stable value in crypto and not cash out into like our banks. This is what we need, something like a decentralized stable coin. I don't know if there was an issue with DAI. I hope there wasn't. I think there was like one thing that I think I saw somewhere, but I think DAI does it the best. If you guys know of any other decentralized stable coin, you can let me know, but I think DAI was the best one, because USDC is not decentralized and neither is Tether. Neither of those two are good at all, in my opinion. Neither at all. Eugene asks, any thoughts on SnowSwap? No idea, brother. Let's take a look. Let me see. That does sound kind of familiar, though. Let me see. SnowSwap. It's like everything. I always say it sounds familiar. Rank 554. Oh, Eugene's got my attention. Hold on. Let's take a look. $21 million market cap. Okay. Snow.swap.auto. Whatever. I don't have a MetaMask wallet here. Well, actually, I do, technically, but interesting. Look at all this shit. That's hilarious. Oh, coming soon. No, dude. I don't know much about SnowSwap, but I will definitely take a look. Snow coins. Oh, you can get it on Gate, Bialexy, and 0x. See, guys, let's pretend like we're doing like a little research on like these projects here, right? 7,000 followers on Twitter. That's right around average, I would say. They just they partnered multiple times. Oh, with Anchor, Chainlink, and a bunch of other. That's where it looks familiar, because they've partnered with Anchor. That's what it was. Okay, that wasn't talking shit. Huh? But yeah, look at the memes. It's okay. So relatively good following on Twitter. $21 million market cap. Let's take a look at the GitHub. Where's the GitHub for this? Ranking your project right now, Eugene. Where's the GitHub? Community. Oh wait, they don't have it up here. Well, let me open up my Discord real quick. Oh, okay. 2,300 members. All right, we got an active Discord as well. Snowswap.org. Nah, bro, where's the GitHub for this thing? I mean, I guess it's technically just a farming protocol, but still, I would like to see the GitHub. That's what makes me feel comfortable with getting into a project, I'll be honest with you. But I don't know, bro. You let me know. 21 million. That's what I like to see. Yo, yeah, actually, on that point, actually, one of the homies, I don't know if he's in here right now, Jeff. This man was telling me about something called wand swap, which is essentially like a like a wand chain. If you guys are familiar with wand chain, it's like a Uniswap for wand chain, and it's only 10 million. It's only got a $10 million market cap. Guys, I mean, come on, this is crazy. It's nuts. Here we go. 81 cents. Where is OneChain.org? Is this it over here? Cross chain. Here we go. DApps. There we go. Okay, so yeah, WandSwap. So the native token for this is only, which is WASP, is only actually, I think it was, yeah, only has an $11 million market cap. So if we go to WASP right now, let's see. WASP token, 17 cents. And I think there's about, I forgot how many coins there are, but I did the math already. It's about $11 million market cap, which is like nothing. And it seems like a lot of people are using this. So could be the next one, guys. I don't know. But this is what I'm saying, bro. You know, like this isn't the kind of thing where I'd be like, yo, like, because I don't want to make a video every time I see like a very low cap coin that looks like it has potential. Because God forbid, I know it's gonna happen at some point. I make a video about a coin and they scam out. I know it's gonna happen at some point. You know, that's why I'm trying to tread lightly. So like when I get in this shit like this, or like stuff that's very like low key, I'm probably just gonna do a live stream about it or me talking about it. Like I don't think I'm gonna do a huge like, review on it and stuff like that. Eugene says he doesn't have any snow, but he's looking to get into it. Well, there you go, brother. That's the thing. No, but no, I don't know. I mean, here's the thing again. Like I said, like I'll be honest, I'm trying to find things that are not on Ethereum right now. And again, I love Ethereum. I mainly have a lot of Ethereum personally, but in the effort to again just kind of bet against it, I want to make sure I'm getting into these other chains as well because these are the ones that are working right now. Ethereum is just way too like packed, way too packed right now. So I can't do it. I can't do it, Ethereum. Shouts out to Vitalik, but where's that layer 2, bro? Hayden Adams, where's that layer 2 for Uniswap? I need it, because otherwise, I mean, you got stuff like this where honestly all they do is just copy. These guys, all they did was just copy Uniswap, and the same thing with PancakeSwap, right? Dude, I mean, can we talk about PancakeSwap for a sec? Like, geez, these guys are really killing it. And I do want to go to a look at this. This is like Uniswap on steroids. This is crazy. So these guys definitely did their thing. I mean, you got to give it to them. Although they pretty much copied Uniswap, they added a lot to it. I mean, who the fuck is buying any of these NFTs? No one's buying that shit. But there should be there's like a DeFi, it's like a main DeFi hub, right? Is it DeFi Prime? DeFi cryptos. I think if I look this up, I should come up with like a website that gives us like the top. Oh, DeFi Pulse. That's what it was, I think. Yes, DeFi Pulse. Okay, the DeFi list. Here we go. Is this it? No, that's not it. There's like a damn, dude. There's like a page. Oh, here we go. I think this is it actually. Yeah, here we go. Yeah. Oh, perfect. Okay. So it looks. Wait, hold on. Ethereum is this the main chain? Hold on, where is PancakeSwap, bro? Okay, let's go to Dexes. Curve Finance is the top. Wow, Curve Finance passed Uniswap. That's surprising. Derivatives, Synthetics is the biggest one, of course. But there should be where the oh nah, dude. So DeFi Pulse is just talking about Ethereum, I think. Unfortunately, yo, Atwood's John Atwood said crypto kitties. What a beast. Eugene says Matic top 20 coin in the future. Yo, no, listen, bro. See, Matic is sleeper low key. Matic is pretty high up there as well, I think, isn't it? John was doing a throwback Thursday. Yo, I made a crypto kitty a couple months ago, and I wonder how much that's worth now. Oh, bro, I don't want to know how much I spent in ETH to make that crypto kitty. Oh God, I'm gonna cry. I don't know. I want to see how much I spent. Actually, no, I don't want to look it up. I probably spent a lot of ETH for that crypto kitty. I hope I didn't, but I think I did. No, there's like is it DeFi right then? Nah, dude. There's like I think it's DeFi Pulse. I think it's DeFi Pulse. Wait, I was just there. Guys, I'm losing it. No. Hold on. Okay, I know there's a website that gives us like the top like DeFi coins. You know what I mean? like DeFi ecosystems or some shit. I don't know. Well, let's see if we can find it, because I know there's like a top website for it. I know this isn't it, but this could be close to it. What the hell is this? What the shit is this? Banker Infinity Pool? Holy shit! Yeah, no, this is definitely not it. Oh, these are just pools. Okay, never mind. This man said the Infinity Pool. Dude, that shit sounds epic as hell. the Anchor Infinity Pool. It's an anchor. Nah, let's go back to CoinMarketCap real quick. No, but I know there's a website that shows the top DeFi protocols, because that's what I want to look at. I want to see what the Binance chain is kind of doing. Let's see if I can. I'll see if I can find it just real quick, because I think that was really it's really cool to see, because especially right now, since everything is just literally all DeFi. Oh, maybe it was actually DeFi Prime. That's what it was. That's what I was looking for. Okay, here we go. Okay, wait. Okay. Now it's not showing up here. Here we go. DeFi Prime. There we go. Okay. Let's go to projects. Decentralized exchanges. Okay. This isn't it, but okay. Ethereum, EOS. And see, this is the thing, right? You have Ethereum, Bitcoin, EOS, Tron, all these different dexes, but they don't have Binance chain. That's pretty biased. I'm sure there has to be some sort of an all-in-one. There has to be some sort of all-in-one I guess I don't know. I guess you could call it a website aggregator that takes all the actual decentralized coins and whatnot and puts them onto a website, so you can see what you're buying, where you're getting it. Because right now, dude, it's very what do you call it? It's very scattered. If I want to know what's going on Binance, I need to go to Binance's website, or the Binance Smart Chain website, instead of going to a website that puts it all together like this one. And they do a pretty good job at it, but unfortunately, it ain't it. That ain't it, Chief. But you know what I can do? I'm actually gonna pull up my video that I did about the the different DeFi blockchains. That's what it was. And I'm gonna find out what website that was. Let's see. Okay, DApp Radar. That's what it was. That was one of them. Yo. Eugene says in 2018, any coin with the word chain mooned, pretty much. Swap coins are the 2021 chain coins. Yeah, pretty much. That's why I love crypto, bro. It's so predictable. It's honestly pretty predictable. Here we go. Okay. So let's go to rankings, I guess, and let's go to all protocols. And here we go. Okay. I mean, I wish that they would include the ads, but okay. Uniswap is the first one with, oh my God. But okay, so they're ranking it by users. So PancakeSwap is second to Uniswap in terms of users, with actually more than half of what Uniswap has. So I mean that's pretty impressive for the amount of transactions that they do. Because you can see what it really seems like is that Ethereum is really just being used by whales, people who have a lot of crypto to trade with right now. As you can see, $7.1 billion in terms of actual balance within the exchange itself. Then PancakeSwap only has 800 million, with a little bit more than half of what Uniswap has. That's pretty impressive. I thought that was pretty impressive. Then you have Serious Dice, which is next. That's surprising. What the hell is this? Thundercore. I've heard of Thundercore, but what the hell is Serious? We have 19,000 people gambling their crypto away. Oh, guys, no. I feel like playing gambling games on crypto is almost is that an oxymoron? Is that what that's called? When you do one thing on top of the other, you know what I mean? People consider investing in the crypto gambling. I don't personally, but people consider investing in crypto gambling. But on top of that, you're going to go ahead and actually gamble with a dice game on crypto. Funny. Let's go to BSC, or we can actually compare the two a little bit, because I really like this website. It gives you an idea of what's going on. Today, Uniswap did 800 million in volume, 800 million bucks, obviously, and one inch exchange did about 66 million. Actually, this isn't even the top though. Hold on, where's the? Okay, SushiSwap was next. They did about 440 million. Okay. Or no, wait. Compound did 700 million. And DYDX did about 800. So let's take a Binance chain. Here we go, BSC. I bet you they almost. Oh no, they did a lot less actually. Never mind. Wait, Venus did 7 billion. I don't get it. I don't get it. But the Pancake Swap did about a quarter of that, which is about 260 million of what Uniswap did. So Binance Chain isn't quite there yet. Or Pancake Swap isn't quite there yet. But I think, I don't know, dude. I could see them getting close. Matic, Eugene. Listen, bro. There's your boy right over here, Matic. Quick Swap. OX Universe. Honestly, dude, if what's a low-key real good, like, what do you call that? It's a really good way to make some money right now. If one of us is smart enough to make a DEX and charge a 0.01% fee for any transaction that happens and give it to yourself. If you can make a DEX in any exchange, you're essentially getting paid every time someone gets trades, which would be crazy. Maybe that's the move, guys. We learn how to develop and we just make our own DEXs. One on Steam, one on Hive, Bora, all that crap. Let's see what other is. What is other? Litecoin? What the hell? Fusion, Coffee, the coffee chain, RSK, a whole bunch of crap. Let's see if there are any ones that I am familiar. See, they don't even have Terra here either, dude. And I remember when I was doing this video, the top DeFi exchanges and whatnot. The Terra wasn't here, and I think there's a couple of other ones that aren't here either. Let me see. There's like another website that I was looking at as well. Where was it? It wasn't DApp Radar, but it was like something familiar. Oh, you know what? I didn't actually show the website. Damn, dude. What a shame. My bozo ass. Yeah, because there was another website that was similar to DApp Radar. Actually, I can just look up top dApps, actually. Maybe that's what I went to look up. Top dApps. The dApp.com, is that what that is? Oh, yeah, I think it is. I think it actually is. DApp ranking. Yep, it is. All right, cool. Matic, Thundercore, Zilliqa, Fuse. Oh, Terra's here. Okay. Ah, there we go. Terra's actually here. Okay, but it's still not reporting anything. Yeah, that's not right. Mcash Chain, Neo. Bro, what's going on with Neo, huh? No one's talking about Neo. Listen, bro. I know you're an OG if you remember Neo used to be called the Ant Shares. That was a classic. But nah, that's crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and we're going to wrap it up today. Honestly, nothing much crazy to talk about. Kind of just wanted to get on here and just look at all the green with you guys. It's a nice little night over here in New York, and why not just to soak in the gains with the homies in the chat. But I'll see you guys soon. I'm probably gonna throw up a video tomorrow, just a little vlog, kind of talking about what I think. Then pretty much what we talked about here tonight, summed up. So people don't have to waste their time running through the live stream. But we'll see. I'm also releasing a video about Elrond soon as well, because a lot of people were asking about that, which is also another competitor to Ethereum. And lastly, as you can see, I got a fire ass shirt on. Hold on, y'all see this? Y'all see this shit? Got a little Elon and Doge going on over here. Listen, my guys. Let's just say I got some of those shirts. I'll put them in the description because we're selling a couple of those on Shopify, brother. So you should take a look later. Oh, and Lindsay. Oh, of course. Hold on. When getting into crypto as a newbie, is there anything we can look up to research? Yes, Lindsay. Go to YouTube. Well, you're already on YouTube, obviously. But I just recommend, bro, just like watching crypto videos, whether it be just like how Ethereum works, how Bitcoin works, and actually just like how to interact with Ethereum. I think if you do those three things, how Bitcoin works, how Ethereum works, and how to interact with Ethereum, using MetaMask and whatnot, I think you'll be set, because that's kind of just the basics. But thank you for stopping by, Lindsay. Appreciate you as well, my brother, sister, whatever it is. Eugene, John, Romario, Andrew, all you guys who came through. Appreciate all you guys. Jack as well. I'll see you guys on the next one, okay? Appreciate y'all, and have a good one. Bless up.